Hello creative, welcome to yet another tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So here we'll be learning how to make the rose sleeve. So you take your sleeve length, that's the measurement for your sleeve length, and your cap sleeve height, which is I'm using 4 for this case. So you take your round sleeve measurement and then your bottom sleeve measurement, then connect your cuff to have the cap sleeve, and that is it. Your sleeve pattern is ready. Okay, so you just cut out your sleeve pattern. It unfold actually, so you're going to divide the center of that sleeve pattern as you can see in the picture. So that's the sleeve. Okay, so with this we're going to use it to form our root. So with our pattern we have to spread it out on our fabric, and as you can see, so we'll cut through the pattern. All right, so it just has to be the exact size of the pattern that you drew. On each of the spacing that is distance, you have to mark, because that is where we'll use to form our row. So our pattern is, our fabric has been cut for the rose making. Okay, so we'll just fold this together as you can see. So we'll use our pattern to get the lining, so this lining would just be the exact pattern for the sleeves as you can see. All right, so to shape the sleeves we are going to sew up the space where we nip. If you can remember, during the pattern drafting we had nipped a point, so we're just going to sew that up as you can see. With half or quarter inch, depends on you. All right, so that's it. So at this point I'm just going to form the rose for you to see how it will come out. Yeah, that's it. Just after sewing that point, so use your normal round sleeve or your bicep measurement to shape your sleeve, and this is shaping the lining of the sleeves because we are going to put lining to ours. Okay, and then measure your bicep to see what you have. Okay, so now to your main fabric which you've shaped, you also measure to see if the measurement of the lining and then that of the main fabric is the same. So I'm going to show you how I shape the sleeve. Following from that point where we had nipped, we have to draw. So bringing your lining, you can see that that's the same shape of the lining. That's how the sleeve was shaped. So the lining, the right space of the lining and the main fabric will pick together and then sewn from the bottom sleeve. So what I'm doing now is just to top stitch that so that it will relax the sleeves. After that, the lining will be pushed inside. Okay, so that's it. The lining will be pushed inside. At this point, the center line of the main fabric and that of the lining is going to be attached together, or is attached together by pinning, and then the center or the middle point of the shoulder on the sleeve cap is also attached together with pin. Working on the rows again before we proceed to sew. So we give it a little time for us to close up that. So at this point, after forming the rows, the rows would be tacked at some points, at different points on the lining, so that it wouldn't fall or lose shape once it is worn by the individual. So the rose is being picked at and torn off the line. Okay, so here's our sleeves, neatly turned and sewn. That's the inside of the inside of the sleeve, and then the knit with loss. So there was this point we're going to attach it to the press. So if you have not seen my video on how to attach the sleeves, the link is in the description box. Don't forget